In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to transfer money from one RBC account to another using the RBC mobile app. If you're looking to move funds quickly and securely between accounts within the same bank, this is the perfect guide for you. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the RBC mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you're signed into your account to access all the features you need. Once you're logged in, look towards the bottom of the screen. There, you'll see an option labeled Move Money. Go ahead and tap on that. Next up, you'll want to select Send and Interact e-Transfer. This is the tool that allows you to send money electronically to another person, even if they're an RBC account holder like yourself. Now, choose the RBC account you want to send money from. This might be your primary checking account or another account you hold with RBC. Make sure you select the correct one to avoid any mix-ups. Once you've chosen the account, it's time to enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check to ensure the amount is correct, especially if you're sending a significant sum. After confirming the amount, select the recipient you want to send the money to. If you've sent money to them before, they might already be saved in your list of contacts. Otherwise, you can add a new recipient as needed. You'll now have the option to choose how the recipient will be notified about the transfer. You can choose email, text message, or both. This is a handy feature to ensure they know the money is on its way. In some cases, you might need to create a security question and answer. This step is crucial as it adds an extra layer of security to the transfer, ensuring only the intended recipient can access the funds. However, if your recipient has auto deposit enabled, this step may not be necessary. Auto deposit allows the money to be deposited directly into their account without a security question, streamlining the process. Before you proceed, you might want to include an optional message. This could be a note about what the transfer is for or a simple greeting. Once everything looks good, take a moment to review all the details. It's always a good idea to double-check everything before hitting that final button. Once you're ready, tap Send Now to complete the transaction. After submitting the transfer, the money will be sent to the other RBC account. You should receive a confirmation that your transaction was successful. And just like that, you've moved your money from one RBC account to another. And there you have it, a straightforward way to transfer money between RBC accounts using the mobile app. Whether you're paying a friend or moving money for personal use, these steps should make the process quick and easy. Thanks for watching and happy banking.